December 31st, 2023, and we're back at it again. Looks like I'm going to be making a career out of working on this 2000 Chevrolet van. Frank's making progress on the Jaguar. It cranks and runs good, but he's got some more wiring to do. He's put his off-road lights in, got them mounted in. When he finally gets it squared away, we'll be going for a couple of test rides in it. The engine's running good. It's been completely rebuilt. And so when it gets all squared away, we'll be going in it. But now, if y'all have any suggestions, I'd like to know about this. I've got a couple of problems. I had a shop in Winder install a swap Jasper engine and transmission in this van back in February. I'm not satisfied with anything they've done. They messed up as much as they've done. Every time I take it over, I get it back, something else is messed up. But the problem I'm having now is the engine is not getting to operating temperature. Either the thermostat is faulty, they left the thermostat out. I've got a temperature sensor that is not reporting correctly to the computer. I don't know if this engine has one or two temperature sensors, but it's getting below operating temperature. And I don't like working on these things anymore. And this thermostat, normally a 15-minute job, it takes an hour just to get to the blooming thing. The light needs charging, doesn't it? Back down in there, follow that radiator hose back down in there. I have to take all that junk there off. But the transmission, it's got a hard shift in going in from first to second, second to third, and then sometimes it will not shift into overdrive. Now, I will do the key turn on 3 times. I'll turn the switch on, let it sit for about 5 minutes, turn it off, switch it back on, let it sit for 5 minutes, turn it back off, and then I'll crank it up, and that seems to reset the computer. And it will shift right for a while. So I don't know if it's a computer, something with the transmission or what, but we've got that problem, and I've got this cooling problem where it is not heating up. This van has always had an excellent heater. I think they left the thermostat out, or either it's a faulty one. And with Jasper engines, they had to put all that new stuff on, new water pump, and they've had to swap it out once. The water pump they put on it was bad. But temperature sensors, all that stuff's supposed to be new. So I may tear into it tomorrow or Monday, but I'm tired of working on this thing. I may park it for a couple of weeks and just drive one of the Jeeps. But if y'all got any suggestions on this transmission shift, let me know. And if you've got any experience with this temperature sensor and thermostat, but I think it's just a thermostat problem. I don't think it's a temperature sensor. We have still got to get the spray insulation in here. I've got a lot I've still got to do on this thing, but anyway, I'm trying to not run my mouth too much, but if y'all have any input on these items or issues, let me know. And like I say, as soon as he gets this squared away, we will be going for a couple of test drives in it.